Simplifying the complex, an introduction to fractions. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today we are going to explore a very interesting and essential part of basic mathematics, fractions. By the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what fractions are, how they're represented, and their significance. Let's get started. A fraction is a way of expressing a number that is less than 1, or the division of one quantity by another. It's like slicing a pie into several pieces. If you have one slice from a pie that's been cut into 4 parts, then that's a fraction. You have 1 out of 4 pieces, or 1/4. Each fraction has 2 parts, the numerator, which is the number on top, and the denominator, which is the number at the bottom. The numerator represents how many parts we have, and the denominator shows how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Fractions come in 2 main types: proper fractions and improper fractions. A proper fraction is when the numerator is less than the denominator. For example, 2/3 or 5/8. On the other hand, an improper fraction has a numerator that is equal to or greater than the denominator. For example, 7/7 or 9/2. If the numerator and denominator are the same, like 7/7, the fraction equals 1. Fractions are everywhere in our daily life. We use them to measure ingredients in cooking, to understand portions, and even to divide time. Let's take an example. If you watch a 2-hour movie and take a break halfway through, you have watched 1/2 of the movie. Or if you read 3 chapters out of a 10-chapter book, you've read 3/10 of the book. In English, we say fractions in a particular way. The numerator is set as a normal number, but the denominator changes depending on its value. For example, 1/2 is read as 1/2, 2/3 is 2/3, 3/4 is 3/4, and so on. If the denominator is a number other than 2, 3, or 4, we usually say it as if it were a whole number, followed by the suffix "these." So 5/6 is 5/6, 7/10 is 7/10, and so on. And that's a wrap on our basic introduction to fractions. We hope you found this helpful and you're now more confident with understanding and using fractions. Remember, fractions are just another way to represent certain numbers, and with practice, they'll become second nature. See you in our next video where we'll continue our journey with fractions and dive deeper into subtraction and fractions. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.